Career professionals, job seekers, college graduates. I get this question all the time, and I want to answer it for you today. My name is Ilene Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist, and I want to discuss today when is the best time for you to look for a new job. So, before we get started in today's big answer, because I get this question all the time, I want to remind you to subscribe to get alerts at every time I post new content to help you in your job search and to grow your careers and to earn more money. And I want to remind you also, go to my website. It's at poundingpavement101.com. There, I have an ultimate job searching plan, free job search training. Free is always good. You can access it immediately, run through it, and this way you can see how easy it is to find your dream job. And if you'd like to talk to me, yes, you can talk directly to me. Grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers, and we can talk about your job search, do a little bit of brainstorming, and see if the Pounding Pavement 101 program is for you. But I want to get back to the question of when is the best time to job search, to look for that new job? Because let me tell you, if you are miserable in your job right now, it is affecting your entire life. It's affecting your self-esteem. It is affecting your health. And being in a toxic work environment is the worst possible thing for you. If you feel that you're not earning enough or you're not getting paid what you're worth, then we need to address that as well, because that is never going to end well. Just bad feelings harbor. And my college graduates, you're coming out now and, okay, is now a good market? Are there jobs available? We're going to address all of that today. So you can see right now, I'm in Halloween mode, but then again, I'm in Halloween mode all the time because we make the magic happen here. So right now it is October. When is the best time to job search? Now. And I'm going to say that every single time that I'm on recorded. Now is the time to start. If you're in that toxic environment, now is the time to start. It takes time to find a job. Even in my program, and people are finding jobs on average 42 days after they've been searching over a year on their own. But why do I say now? Look, and I'm telling you, and you're going to be watching this recording maybe in the summertime. It's October now. So we're going into the holiday season. Why is now a perfect time for you to start your job search? Well, I want you to think of it this way, and I'm going to use the real estate market as an example. Everyone knows that the spring is the housing market, okay? A lot of people go looking for new houses. They come out of the winter months, and they want to get the kids back. It's settled in a new home and in a new school before the school year starts. And you have a lot of people looking for houses in the spring. But who looks for a house in the month of December? Those are people who really need a house. Who sells a house in December? People who really need to sell their house. They're motivated. So they're motivated buyers, they're motivated sellers. People are not messing around. So if you're thinking about waiting for January, for the job hunting season, or after the new year, well, guess what? So is everyone else. So if everyone else is waiting, and then in January, they all wake up after their hangovers from New Year's Eve, but that's another story. That's another video. And now the competition is greater. Think about that. So now instead of 100 applicants, there might be 500 applicants. But guess what? Who looks for a job in November and December? The people who really want a job. The people who really need a job. And from the company side, always do the role reversal. The companies who are posting jobs and are looking for jobs and reaching out to you in that holiday season, okay, October, November, December, guess what? They have positions that they need to fill, and they may need to fill them before the end of the year budgets come due. They don't want to lose their head count. So think of that. So if you're on the fence about job searching, now is the time. Today is the day to get started. Don't wait until January. Don't wait until that next thing comes up, because job searching takes time and effort. It does. Okay. And I get that. I've been there. I know that. Okay. I speed up the process because I took the guesswork out of it for you. I developed a strategic job searching roadmap. So this way you don't have to figure it all out for the next 6 months. I figured it out for you. It's all packaged, nice little bow. Okay. And you can find out about that. It's called Pounding Pavement 101. You can see detailed statistics about the program on my website at poundingpavement101.com. You want to speak with me? We can brainstorm. Maybe we work together. Maybe we don't. Maybe I give you some great ideas. Get on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Might as well say that while we're talking about this. But now is always the time. If you're in a bad situation, start now. The hiring cycles have been elongated with some of the companies. Okay. And let's have a serious talk about this. The companies want to make sure that they're hiring the right person. They don't want to inject the wrong person into their company culture, because that could create a toxic environment where maybe they had a positive environment. It also is expensive for them to onboard someone, and then that person doesn't work out. And now they've lost a lot of time, a lot of money. No one likes to waste time. No one likes to waste money. So you can certainly appreciate that from both sides of the fence. You don't want to get into a job and then not be happy there. And then you leave 3 to 6 months later, and now you have a little blemish on your record and on the resume. Now all of a sudden you're showing a couple of short-term employments, and that could be detrimental to your future career in your job search. Companies don't want to see that people are job hopping and going from job to job to job within a couple of months. The reality is, when you start a new job, it takes about 3 months to really get up to speed and find out where the coffee machine is in the bathroom, and everyone's first names, and who takes their cigarette breaks or whatever, their food breaks, or where everyone goes to lunch. It takes time to really become entrenched and bond with your team, your new team. So I want you to really seriously think about this. Okay? When is the best time to job search? Now. Don't waste time. Don't be unhappy at your job. If you're unhappy, now is the perfect time to search. And think about this. As you're job searching, the holiday time is the perfect time to network. People are happy. There are parties you can go to instead of stuffy old networking meetings where everyone's passing around business cards. And everyone just wants to talk and be merry, and you never know who you're going to meet. You never know. I mean, I talk to people all the time when I'm online at Starbucks, okay? Or when I'm traveling, I'm always talking to people online. You never know who you're going to meet. It could lead to that next great career opportunity for you. So, when is the best time to job search? You start today. You get on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. You subscribe to this YouTube channel, so this way you get great expert advice from the inside secrets from an executive recruiter and a job search strategist to help you in your job search. My name is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101. I'm sharing the inside secrets to get you hired rapidly. Have a great evening, everyone.